In this lecture, we will cover variables, constants, and final variables of Dart. So, if we want to say about Dart variables in this programming, we need to manage values like numbers, strings, and booleans to store these values in programs. We usually use variables. A variable is an identifier that stores a value of a specific type. By definition, a variable is associated with a type and has a name. With a type and has a name. Okay. So, in this following sentence, if we just detect that to declare a variable, just need an type, and then this type defines the variables. Type specified, the values of the variable can be stored. It can be integer or double or string or boolean. In integer value, that means -1, 0, 1, 2, etc. And in double, 0.5, 1.0, 0.9. And in string, must we have to define by single quotation or double quotations. That can anything, it can be here. And boolean, we can represent here true or false. um, just two value, is it true or false. Let's test all of this. If I defined here list, first of all, try to string is a type and it's a variable name, and its value, that's welcome to Dart. If I print this, I will get welcome to Dart. Exactly. So if in this message I just change the type, if I put here integer, it already defined that variable type, assign type must to integer. Okay, so let's do it 5. If I run this, then I will get 5. Okay, so after that, if I want to identify here, just double, so here I can use double. Double means 5.0. If I run it, then I will get 5.0. Okay. Mm, if I want to set here variable type bool, then here true or false. If I assign here true, then in and after printing, I will get true here. Yes, I just get true here. Let's talk about constant keyword. So, constant, the following program that converts distance from mile to kilometer. If I run this, I will get 1 mile to 1.609 kilometers. And how it's work? Now, first, I just need to declare a variable, which is type it double. And after that, I just need to declare another variable that is cause distance kilometer, which is multiplied by 1.6.06, and third option, just send here to print the output. If a program has many places to convert mile to kilometer, we will use to fix number 1.609 across the program. The issue arises when we want to make it more than accurate by changing the value from 1.609 to 1.609 344. In this case, need to change the variable, multiply the places. Okay, so to problem this problem with this approach in this toKm to declare can be changes. Mm, if I just change to program to fix to may define a variable that is store the number and use the variable whenever we need to convert distance miles to kilometer. The problem with this approach is that 2 kilometer variable can be changed accidentally for to example to 0. The result is an incorrect conversation. Okay. Let's to fix this permanently we can use constant. A constant is an identifier whose value doesn't change. To define constant, I just need to add a const keyword before the value, like constant name constant name value we can use like this. If I just print out this to declare a value constant which is unchangeable, then we can use constant before the constant's variable name and assign the value. So let me change this. So we want to uh, make the constant here 2 kilometer. Now if I just changes this, then I will get this value. So 1 mile to 1%. It is an important to notice that constants only accept a value that is truly constant at compile type. The following constants can be error. So let's talk about the final variable. The constants keyword allows you to define constant that are known at compile time. To define constants, those values are known at runtime. We will see final keyword with the following sentence. Let's see an example. The following example shows how to declare the current time final variable that assign currently time returned by the datetime.now. If we run this, we'll get it. Once we assign the value final variable, we cannot reassign the value on it. For example, the following attempts to assign the current time final variable, that we will get an error. Let's see, that is an error. So to if we declare a final variable initially see its value immediately, we can use type interface that make declarable shorter. So we can write this, but in example the in this type current time will be date time because its value is the result in the datetime.now. Okay, the final and constants, what is the difference? If we want to say summary, use the final keyword are defined constants whose values are not known as runtime. But the constant defines whose values are known at compile time, while the define final the constant whose values are known as the runtime.